The Plumwall Tall Wall Adapter System is your solution for pouring ICF walls up to 14 or 16 feet high. Using a standard 10 or 12-foot Plumwall brace, the Tall Wall Adapter System allows the 10-foot brace to be used at 14 feet, or the 12-foot brace to be used at 16 feet. Start by installing your standard Plumwall brace. Remove the locking pins and unfold the platform and outrigger. Using the slotted screw holes on the 14-gauge galvanized strongback, secure the brace to each course of the ICF forms. Remove the pins from the platform, then lift the platform up to the desired height in 3-inch increments and reinsert the pins. Add the telescopic outrigger extension and choose your desired length and angle. Insert the footplate component into the outrigger extension. Align the pinholes and insert the pin. You now have an extended outrigger support. There are 12 different length options to set the outrigger length. Secure the foot using screws, stakes, or wood. Slide the 4-foot adapter into the top of the strongback and use a pin to lock the braces together. The pressure plates located at the top and bottom of the 4-foot adapter ensure a tight and flush fit with the supporting brace. Finally, attach the adapter to the top rows of the ICF blocks using screws. It's that simple. Your 14 or 16-foot brace height is now complete and you are ready to pour. For even taller walls, the same system expands up to 24 feet high. Quick, easy, and cost-effective. That's the Plumwall all-in-one advantage. Contact Plumwall today about your ICF bracing needs.